We are heroes to households and to business owners nationwide. What makes us so unique is our educating the marketplace about the process of becoming your own banker, the infinite banking concept. The essence of it is to recapture the interest, to recapture the money that you're presently sending away from your family or away from your business.
If you don't have the knowledge, our team is willing to pass that knowledge on to you.
It really is possible to make a difference for a wide spectrum of people, families, business owners, young people who are on their own starting out.
We are all ninjas at one thing and one thing only, is becoming your own banker.
I want to be able to leave the world better than when I entered it, and I believe one of the #1 ways on the planet to get that done is to embrace the becoming your own banker concept.
I love seeing people learn, and I love it when somebody discovers something that they didn't know.
Is because I'm helping people bring financial stability back into their lives.
We've been doing it personally. It's changed our life, and I really want to make a difference for other people and do the same thing.
What I'll say about our culture is that it was our team that built it.
You walk through the doors in the morning to an office, but it really feels like you're walking in the doors to a home.
Everyone treats everyone with respect, and it's a great place to work for.
I love interacting with people and just getting to be that person that helps them every day.
You don't have to worry about if you don't understand anything, because there's always somebody here to help you.
I owe a debt of gratitude to the late R. Nelson Nash. His legacy, the message of becoming your own banker, is what we are memorializing every single day. This process will change your life. It will change your family. It will change your business, not only for you, but for generations to come.